Hello, and welcome back. This is a small little tidbit. Actually, you probably don't even care to know about it, but you know me. Hey, I shaved. Look better, don't I? Okay. So, I got eBay. This comes from Kokomo Toys Collectibles. I buy from them a lot. You can get specialty series from their from their eBay store. Plus, they do a lot of what's it called? I'll think about it while I'm doing this. Auctions. So I got some glow-in-the-dark fat. Which honestly, I'm trying to lose weight. Why I bought fat, I don't know, but I do know I wanted it. So I got a glow-in-the-dark fat for $9. Pretty good. So that's how they package it. There we go. I got the Hot Topic exclusive glow-in-the-dark adipose. Fat, in other words. A little crease at the top. Other than that, the box is pretty good. Not like I care. Hello. Buddy. Don't bark at the lady with the nice butt. Pretty cool. Just thought I'd share that.